Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to talk about my May Boxycharm. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a subscription box. There are different choices of boxes. I get the smallest box. You get 5 full-sized items of either makeup or skincare. You get to choose one of them. The value for the base box, which is what I get, I believe is guaranteed to be over $125. I pay $27.99. I've been getting Boxycharm for quite a while now. I've gotten good boxes. I've gotten not so great boxes. My favorite thing about Boxycharm is that every month, not only do you get to choose pretty good choices for one of the 5 items, you also get to take part in what's called Drop Shop, where they have all types of discounted makeup, skincare, makeup tools at a fantastic discount. And I've gotten a lot of makeup in my stash from the Boxycharm Drop Shop. I'm going to go through my base box today. I did film this video a little bit different in that I filmed myself applying the products, and then I will do a split screen and I will show you me applying the products as I talk about them. So with each box you get a card, and the theme of this month is called Super Bloom. And on this card it's going to tell me everything that I've gotten, some details about those products, and the retail value. The first item that I got is this Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. It says, glow up with the world's first skincare makeup serum glow filter, blending beauty and technology in one bottle. Clever concoction formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Ink's top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which I love. It gives you a selfie filter in real life, perfect for day-to-day use, personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology. Retails for $50. Now, normally a primer that talks about light reflective technology, that would worry me, thinking it might make me too dewy, but I wanted to try this. I think this looks like a beautiful product, and you can see me applying it to my skin. It's very pretty. I like the packaging. It does have those little droplets on it, and it feels like a gripping primer on the skin. I did give it a minute to set, and it still felt a little tacky. So to me, that tells me it's going to grip onto my foundation. I also tried it because I prefer a matte foundation, and I followed it with my Dior matte, and I believe that my skin has a lovely glow going on, and hopefully I will keep you posted because I'm going to keep this makeup on all day. I will not get super oily as a result of it. A little bit of blotting a few hours into the day is fine, as long as it doesn't break down my foundation. The next thing that I got was this Basic Beauty eyeshadow primer. And it says here, this is an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. This is what it looks like. It is on the thicker side. It's actually kind of hard to get out of there. It is a thick consistency. It does not seem to provide coverage. The retail value on this is $18, and I would say, based on how my eyeshadow applied, it's okay. It was sort of, my eyeshadow was sticking a little bit to it, but I was able to make it work, and we'll see if my eyeshadow lasts all day. I did use the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette, which it is the first time I have ever used this palette. It is, I believe, it's a $42 palette that I got for $15. So there is an example of why I love Boxycharm, and I did show my application of this palette. I started with this Cafe Con Leche, then I switched to this shade right here called Cafecito, and then I went into this shimmer. I used this shimmer as highlight. I used this as inner corner. So far, I am really liking it. I can't say I like it better than my Transitions palette from Dominique Cosmetics, but I am going to continue using this palette with eyeshadow primers that I am used to, and we will see if the mattes go on a little bit easier. My one critique I do want to mention is this shade is not super It does not have a lot of depth, so I found that these were a little too dark and this was a little too light. So I could mix them, but a more mid-tone brown would have been appreciated. The next item that I got is this Ciate London Dewy Blush. It is a next gen gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush with an ultra lightweight finish. Dewy blush leaves just a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. Formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit, the blush brightens your base, leaving the skin with an even and healthy flush of color. Retails for $22. I tried using this on my palette. It shows up here, but it seems to, I think I had yellow eyeshadow on. It seems to sort of blend away on the skin. So I'm not super impressed with this item. I will continue trying to use it because I do love a liquid blush. It didn't seem to lift my foundation. Everything seems to look good. All I'm seeing is the glow, probably from that primer, which is okay. I did go in with my Ciate bronzer. I thought it only fitting because I had that Ciate blush. I will have all the makeup items that I use that are not included in the Boxycharm unboxing in the description box if you are curious. Editing Jen here, totally forgot to unbox the lipstick from V Cosmetic, a new brand to Boxy. It says here, unlike any lip color you've ever seen, this liquid velvet lipstick is the product you need to add to your makeup kit. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long-wearing, make a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. Retails for $22. The last item that I got is the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. It says a body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. Retails for $40. Unfortunately, I have seen reviews on this product and I've heard that the scent is not great. I hope that is wrong because we are going to test this out right now. I'm going to put a little bit on my arm here. I do enjoy Farmacy products. You can see it's a little on the thick side. I'm going to rub it. Yeah. It smells like sour milk, but when you rub it in, now it smells like honey. It only smells like sour milk when you first put it on. So, will I use this? Yes, I will attempt to use it. If that scent comes back, I will keep you posted. But right now it just smells like a light honey scent. But when you first smell it, it smells sour. It must be some natural ingredient in there. It retails for $40. There is some kind of construction going on next door. I am sorry if you're hearing all the background noise. Let me add up the value of my box. So value of the box is $152. Final thoughts on what I got. This, I like the idea of it. I like Farmacy products. That initial scent, thank goodness it does go away. I will use this. It smells like a very natural honey on my skin now. So yes to that. I need to continue using the eye primer and the blush. I have a little bit of reservations about the thickness of this one. My Jason Wu that I enjoy so much, my Juvia's Place that I enjoy so much, they are thicker as well, but they also provide opacity, whereas this one does not. I also struggled a little bit blending my eyeshadow, so this one is a maybe, but I'm happy to have another eyeshadow primer to play with. The blush is another maybe. I don't like how it didn't show up on my face, but maybe on my reverse foundation days, I will have the bronzer, blush, and highlight on before my foundation. This might be a better option for those lighter makeup days or a no makeup look, maybe going to the beach. Maybe it will leave a stain. I will keep you posted. The primer, I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna use it. I do like the way my skin looks. I did go ahead and set with my Benefit Professional setting spray, and this makeup will stay on for the day. I will let you know if the mask messes it all up. I do have to go out. I will let you know if my foundation breaks apart. I love my Dior matte foundation and I know how well it wears. The Dominique Cosmetics palette, I'm going to keep playing with it. I'm very excited to play in these two shades. I just wanted to do, and of course I love yellow, but I'm going to continue playing with this. I love her Transitions palette, which by the way I also got on Boxycharm Drop Shop at a very discounted price. The lipstick looks very nice. There's a teensy bit of transfer from the lipstick, but I will say, even though this is not a color that I would normally go for, the lips look nice. They do not look dried out. They do not feel tacky, which is another thing that bothers me. The lipstick, I think, is very nice. Overall, I am pleased with my box from Boxycharm this month. I think these are items that I will use. There is nothing that I looked at and said, no way, I will play with all these things. To get $152 in products for $27.99 is a fantastic deal. I look forward to shopping the drop shop. If you want more information about Boxycharm, I'll have all the information in the description box below. You can check it out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I post videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Of course, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a fabulous day.